Hi there, my name is G, and this is my weekend build in public update. So I wanted to share the what I did when I joined the Lovable free weekend showdown. Basically the goal of the Lovable free weekend AI showdown is to compare your OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google. So you using the same prompt, you get to see the comparative analysis how each one works for a project that you're working. So as you know, I've been working on the Bolt hackathon as well, for the elderly reminder app. And since that one consumes tokens or credits, so I tried to do a side project there, and this is the side project that I was working on, which is called AgentCamp. I posted this recently, and then the AgentCamp is essentially a retreat for people who want to learn about AI, and he wants to ship things that they like much faster than compared to just doing it on your own, right? So you have experts or educators, consultants who are going to be with the camp. So the camp is basically going to be done here in the Philippines because who doesn't want like a beautiful island, like a beautiful white sand beach, working on these things. Everyone wants that. So that's the whole idea that I wanted for the Asian camp. But since I wanted to integrate like a couple of things and do a bit pushing the AI coding assistance a bit to its extreme, I wanted to integrate ElevenLabs, like a voice agent. I wanted to integrate like automation once they sign up. It just triggers the whole automation. Um, and I wanted to gamify the whole look and feel of the planning. So the first step was really to make sure that the ElevenLabs work with the landing page. So I tried doing that with Bolt. I basically couldn't make it work. It consumed a lot of tokens. Like it made me reach up to 6.9 million tokens only. So I think I consumed like more than a billion tokens just to make things work. But if I continue doing it, I think I'm gonna consume more. So that's why perfect timing with Lovable came. So that's where I shifted this whole project to Lovable. So the same prompt that I used here, because just to give you a tip, best practice is always before you use an AI coding assistance, make sure that you prepare your general prompts and you section especially if you're doing a page like this, you section already your prompts accordingly so that you can maximize the chat conversations and you don't consume so much tokens or so much credit. So I use the same prompt for the three. So OpenAI, uh, Gemini, and Claude. So this is the result of all. Just show it to you. So this is what OpenAI gave me with that single prompt. I'm having like an integration as well with another and stuff like that. Just for the hero page, hero section. It's not really that good. Claude came up with Anthropic came up with a better version of it. Like really looks more like a gamification kind of thing, like an RPG feel to it. Even the color scheme I really like, except that um, the icon for the call for the voice agent is a bit skewed. It's not like what I wanted, but I could have worked on this thing, meaning except that when I ran, Gemini gave me this thing. I mean, I mean, the circle thing, it was his idea. And then it only asked me for the agent ID, the voice agent ID, which I just gave it. And then this thing basically runs. So, and then the component of making it look like like a portal kind of thing, which I really wanted, included like the stars as well. And then I started iterating it a bit more to include like a gamification concept, which is like the bar. You see the quest progress and you see underneath here. So yeah, so if you want to like, I'll show you a quick demo of how it looks like. So this is how the whole landing page looks like. So it's still a wait list. You can click on this and you can mm, add yourself to the wait list if you guys want to join like a free webinar, virtual sprint, or the full retreat. So, but the core of this is really Arcus, which is the voice agent that I made using apps. So let's do a quick demo.
A ripple in the ether. A traveler steps forth. But before the portal may open, tell me, by what name shall I inscribe thee in the scrolls of AgentCamp?
Gino.
Greetings, Gino. I am Arcus, the portal wizard. Tell me, have you faced many arcane challenges before, brave seeker? Or is this your first venture into the realm of AgentCamp?
Oh,
Are you familiar with the ways of AI and project building?
this is my first.
Then welcome, novice, to the land of boundless opportunity. Within AgentCamp lie 3 great quests to test your mettle. First, the free webinar, a mere spark to ignite your understanding. Second, the virtual sprint, a fast-paced forge to hammer out your first enchanted artifact. And lastly, the full retreat, an immersive crucible for forging deep mastery and unbreakable bonds. Which path calls to you, Gino? Or would you have me elaborate further?
Of course, the full retreat. We go extreme.
A bold spirit. The full retreat is indeed the ultimate challenge, a deep dive into the heart of AgentCamp, where you will not only master the arcane tools, but also forge bonds with fellow adventurers.
I mean, this is like this is just level up landing page. I'm pretty happy because I like games a lot. So this really resonated a lot with me, and I was so happy that I was able to execute this pretty well. Although it really does consume a lot of tokens, so we already used the ElevenLabs. Um, all right, so we got cut in the video anyway. So this is going to be the final update. So what's the verdict for the versus Anthropic, OpenAI, or Gemini? So personally, for obvious reasons, I would say Google Gemini wins for me because it basically got the entire concept that I wanted, plus especially the ElevenLabs connection. I didn't do much in terms of the coding. It just basically asked for the agent ID and it worked it out itself. So that's pretty cool for me. So in most of the prompts that I used, in fact, is just Gemini. I didn't use Anthropic or I didn't use OpenAI at all. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the quick video. I hope to. I'll just keep you updated soon. So thank you guys for watching and see you again. Bye bye.